Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase Account Restricted. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, tap your profile icon and tap Help. Here, scroll down and tap Contact Us. It is now time to fill the help form. Select Coinbase under Choose Your Product. Scroll down and under Let's Get Started, tap Managing My Account. Next, under Issue, tap Linking a Payment Method. And under Problem, tap Other Issues. Additional options will appear. So, under Email, type in your email address connected to your Coinbase account. Next, add the subject. I will write Account Restricted. Now, for the message, explain your problem. I'm going to write, My account has been restricted and I am unable to add a payment method. Kindly help me solve the issue. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Once you write the message, tap Send Verification Email. Try adding a payment method again after you get the confirmation email. And that's how you fix Coinbase Account Restricted. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.